Yummy Mummy Award, you know?
Now I have to, it's truly humbling because it's a research carried out by Nielsen's, which is, I think, a great site and a renowned site. So I accept it with complete humility. I can only say that I've learned all that I needed to do through my mother. So I have to dedicate this award to my mom, who I think is the most gorgeous and absolute yummy mummy of all times, without any bias. And she's here with me today. She never comes out with me anymore, but I felt a sense of pride, so I wanted to show off. And she doesn't know that I was going to say this, but this award's for you, Mom, for helping me be a wonderful mummy, and for you who have been such a wonderful mom to me. Dr. Rashmi is also my doctor, and I can see Dr. Koyala who delivered Vian. So I have both the doctors who actually helped me become the yummy mummy I am called today. So and Dr. Kiran will tell you how fat and how big I was. I had put on some 30 kilos because I was eating everything. And she was the one who actually put me in the right direction. She said, you don't have to have full-fat milk, Shilpa. You can have slim milk. But I did everything, you know, the old book method. And, you know, your hormones go through all kinds of changes. And then you have to have, you know, the right people that you should take advice from. And I had two very good doctors who, you know, advised me for my skin, how to take care of myself during the pregnancy. And I think that's really, really vital. So I take it as a huge compliment that people think that I seem to be this yummy mummy, but I've had great guidance in people whose forte it is and whose USP it is to put people in the right direction. I followed it, and I just think that that can be the best advice to people. So, you know, take advice from your healthcare professional, and don't let go of yourself. You know, gone are the days where people seem to think that, you know, life is over once you become a mother, and you have to look, you know, like a mother. What does that mean? I mean, seriously. Oh, ab to wo maa ban gayi hai, to khatam ho gaya sab kuch. I mean, gone are those days. And I think I seeked inspiration from someone like my own mother, who really got back to her, you know, her shape after delivering both of us. And she always made it a point to tell us. As a matter of fact, I have to say, for the first 7 months after giving birth to Vian, I just didn't care, because you're just so tired and you're so sleep deprived that the only thing that you want to do is just sleep at any time. So I remember my mom, I think she controlled herself for a good 6 months. In the 6th month, she told me, she said, Shilpa, you're looking really fat, and you have to get, I mean, as bluntly put as that. And she said it every day for the next 3 months. Till I looked at her, I said, Mom, I'm your child, you know. She says, no, but you can't let yourself go like that. You have to take care of yourself, and you have to value yourself, which I think is so important.